Hi there folks, welcome back. In this video we're going to be looking at this magnificent model from Tamiya. It's the 350 scale King George V battleship. So today we're going to look at the box, what would be next for the build. On top of these I also bought some accessories that goes with it, and so we're going to look at that too. So I hope the video is enough to give you some idea of this would be something interesting for you to build in the future. So of course this is Tamiya's box art. The artwork is fantastic. It shows the battleship in action. In this side we have several painting guidelines for the modeler, and it shows the battleship at different time of the era. On this side you have a top-down view of how it looks like. I have some ideas about making Royal Navy's battleships. In the past I've done HMS Hood from Trumpeter, so this is going to be my second battleship with a Royal Navy theme. We have a very nice booklet type instruction sheet. Tamiya dedicated the first 2 and 3rd pages on the history of the battleship, which is pretty cool. In practice I usually have my own ways of doing it, and you have the small boats and the aft deck too, and here you have the antennas. Towards the end it's mostly adding the smaller details. It should be straightforward. Now I think it has enough to stand on itself, but in essence if you want to make this as it is, I think it's sufficient. Now we have the hull. It's nice that it's in one piece, really. There's going to be some sanding involved, but I think it's manageable. Alright, what about the rest? This is the island, the aft and also the fore. These are the main turrets and some other details for the funnels. This is the deck. These are the boats, and then other accessories. This is the sampan. So there's not really much in terms of parts. Another instruction, but this is in Japanese. Leave it here. Now let's look at the accessories that I bought. Let's start with this wood deck. It is from Wood Hunter. This was actually the best deal. It has a wood deck, but it also has some PE set. So we are trying to get a wooden deck that is thin. The thinner the deck, the better. First impression, it's very thin, and hopefully I could still keep many of the floor details. For the PEs, I went for Eduard. So they offer you 3 subsets. Each covers a different aspect of the ship. Typical instruction sheet from Eduard, color-coded, to provide you with the best way of installing this. Standard Eduard, but very, very nice. So subset number 1 covers, one is focusing on the railings, but that also includes staircases, cranes, and some other stuff. And then the second one is more on the other parts of the ship. Anti-aircraft, AAA platform. Well, you have another one hidden underneath. This is a smaller piece. And the last one I have is more for the boats. You have different types of boats, sizes. That concludes our preview of the box, plus also the photo etch and the wooden deck. On our next video we could do some initial cutting and construction. If you like my work, please consider giving a thumbs up, share this video, or follow the channel. It means a lot to this page. Thank you for joining me. Until then, stay tuned. Thanks for watching and hope to see you soon. Bye for now.